please. Okay? Trust your instinct. Okay? And what else? Seriously, you have to try first yourself. Okay? Okay, I know. And then all your sense will be at the middle, and also your permit at the middle, please. Okay.
Ito malulukat sa amin next year.
15, 1-5.
Eh kasi lahat kami, ano niya.
Okay. So, kindly clear your desk. Please clear your desk. I haven't tried. No, I tried once. I failed.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hi. Oh my God.
Oh.
Maganda ka na.
Okay.
Nagpaganda ka na eh.
Back it off, please. Okay. Get your name desk. I want the desk to be clear. Here's everything.
Nag-check ko.
Okay? So we can start. You don't have to.
Sir. Sir.
Once you receive, you answer.
Yan si Ma'am Tess, maraming pera yan, no? Tingnan niyo. Ay, nagbayad ako sa
Quiet, quiet.
Magpapalit ka na ng iuwi mo yung pera habang 33.
Ay, hindi nilagay ko sa bangko. Video pa yan? Tumimik ka dun. Ate, smile. Nag-electric fan kasi mga video.